What is your name?
I am Tutu.
How old are you?
I am
5 years old. I am 5 years old.
I'm 5.
Okay. How's the weather today? It is rain. Rain?
Rainy.
Okay, it is rainy. So, if it is cold, what will you put on? I put on my
jacket.
Come on, faster.
I put on
My shoes.
my suit.
I put
I put on my hat. I put on my
scarf.
scarf.
Very good. Now, what day is today? Today is Wednesday. Say, today is Wednesday.
Today is Wednesday.
Can you sing the days of the week? Ready, go.
Monday,
Tuesday,
Wednesday,
Thursday,
Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
today.
This is the week.
Very good. What sports do you play on Monday? What do you like to play? I play
I play basketball.
Very good. What day you don't go to school? On
Sunday.
say on Sunday.
On Sunday.
Very good. Now, what is in your school bag? What is it?
Pencil.
It is a pencil.
It is a pencil. It is a what?
It is a rubber.
It is a rubber. It is a rubber. It is a book.
Very good.
It is a desk. It is a chair.
Okay, but what this one? Can you put the chair inside the school bag? Yes or no?
No.
Very good. Have a picture. Good job. Now, what do you like to do? I like dancing, but I don't like dancing with a bear. Ask teacher, what do you like to do? Ask teacher, what do you like to do? I like running, but I don't like running with the bees. Okay, are you hungry?
Yeah.
Yes, let's go to the, what is this?
Supermarket.
Here is my shopping
Shopping
list.
list.
And my shopping cart.
Shopping cart.
What can you buy at the fresh food? What is that? Fruit and vegetable.
And vegetable.
I can buy fruit and vegetable. I can buy fruit and vegetable. What can you buy at the dairy product?
Milk.
I can buy milk.
I can buy milk.
Very good. What can you buy at the personal care? I can buy
Shampoo.
Where can you pay for all of this? At the cashier. Cashier. What letter is this? Letter C. Very good. What C sounds? C is for cat. C is for
Cat.
Okay, very good. That's the end of the test. Bye-bye.